Dear students, in the previous class we discussed retreating monsoon, winter season, rainy season. Today we are moving to next part, the distribution of rainfall. See, the distribution of rainfall across India is not similar. Somewhere the rainfall becomes heavy. Somewhere like Thar Desert, scanty rainfall occurs. Today we are going to see the distribution of rainfall. Distribution of rainfall in India. Okay, on the basis of the amount of rainfall, India can be divided into three broad zones. One is areas with low rainfall, it means the less than 50 centimeters, and areas with moderate rainfall around 50 to 100 centimeters, areas with heavy rainfall 100 to 250 centimeters. Now let's see areas with low rainfall. First one is areas with low rainfall. Where can we see this type of rainfall and region? Here it includes Western Kutch, the Thar Desert, Rajasthan and its adjoining areas like Western Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, then north of Jaskar Range. In the geography first lesson we discussed it, Karakoram Range, Jaskar Range. Here north of Jaskar Range and the rain shadow area of Western Ghats. Once again, where the Western Kutch. First one is Western Kutch. Second one, Thar Desert of Rajasthan. Then adjoining the Thar Desert, not only Thar Desert, the adjoining nearby regions like Western Punjab, not only Punjab, even Haryana also. Haryana, Western Punjab and Haryana. Then some parts of Gujarat, which is very close to Thar Desert, Gujarat also. Then Jaskar Range, north of the Jaskar Range. This is located in Himalayan region, Jaskar. And rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. Okay, once again, this is not to scale. Imagine, see, almost Thar Desert region, adjoining Western Punjab, Haryana, then Gujarat, then Jaskar Range, that we can see even in the Google image also. Google image, scanty, that distributed what? Areas with low rainfall, Google image. Then rain shadow area, see this is Western Ghat. The western part of the Western Ghats get heavy rainfall, but the rain shadow, the eastern part of Western Ghats becomes a rain shadow area. Rain shadow area. These regions are low rainfall regions. Then Royli in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. Which region? Royli. Have you ever heard this region? Royli. Royli, which is located in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan, it receives very less, means least amount of rainfall. It is around 8.3 centimeters and is the driest place in India. Now, note down the question. Which is the driest place in India? Answer is very simple. Royli in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan is the driest place in India. Why it is called driest place? It receives least amount of rainfall. It's around 8.3 centimeter. That is why it is called the driest place in India. And another question, mentions the regions which receives low rainfall in India? Answer is very simple. Rajasthan, Thar, Western Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Jaskar range and rain shadow of area. But note down the question in your notes. I won't give any questions via WhatsApp for Vidyagama. This question is considered for Vidyagama. The second one, areas with moderate rainfall, already mentioned, the region which receives 50 to 100 centimeters of rainfall. This region is here considered the areas with moderate rainfall in India. It is a long belt extending from northern Punjab which continues till Cape of Kanyakumari. It is broader in the northern and narrower in the peninsular India. And between, see, here it is between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Where it is broader in the, you can see the textbook image also. And another Google image also, areas with moderate rainfall in India. Okay, it is broader in the north and narrower in the peninsular region, which you know that between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. And this is the moderate rainfall area. And another one is areas with heavy rainfall. Third one is areas with heavy rainfall. Where can we see this type of region? Heavy rainfall. In equatorial region it's common, and heavy rainfall region. Okay, but in India it is found in 4 separate belts. You better to go through your textbook image also, but we will show the Google image also. Areas with heavy rainfall. Areas with heavy rainfall, the rainfall occurs here average 100 to 250 centimeters. Somewhere it is above 250 centimeters. It is found in 4 separate regions. First one is a narrow belt in the Western Ghats. Already we mentioned the eastern part of the Western Ghats becomes a rain shadow area, but here just see, this is the Western Ghats, the western side of the Western Ghats. This is the narrow. This is the narrow belt of Western Ghats. Second one is a belt from Jammu Hills through Himachal Pradesh, northern Uttar Pradesh, not southern and Uttar Pradesh, northern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Once again, the heavy rainfall belt can be divided further. We can divide a narrow belt in the Western Ghats. Second one is a belt from Jammu Hills which passes through Himachal Pradesh, northern Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar and West Bengal. Then northeastern India. There you know that a very familiar place, Mausin Ram. Mausin Ram located in this zone gets the heaviest rainfall. Which gets heaviest rainfall? West coast and western side of the Western Ghats. One is here the west coast also. See this belt. And Western Ghats, western side of the Western Ghats. For example, imagine a cut image of Western Ghats. The narrow belt of Western Ghats, western side of Western Ghats and coastal region. Can you see this image? Once again I will make it clear. Here this narrow belt of, just imagine this is the narrow belt. If it continues like that, narrow belt, then this is the narrow belt of Western Ghat. Narrow belt of Western Ghat. Then western side of Western Ghats. Then coastal region. coastal region. If I take this cut image to the Indian map, like here, it seems to be like this. Yes, this is the fourth one, west coast and western side of the Western Ghats. These are all the areas with heavy rainfall. Dear children, I'll ask some questions. I already asked it, which is the driest place, and mention the areas with low rainfall in India. Activity for 10th standard students. Now, draw an outline map of India and locate the following places. Once again, draw an outline map of India and locate the following places. First one is western side of Western Ghats. Then second one is mark the distribution of rainfall in India. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable answers. The coldest month of India is dash. Coldest month of India is dash. The region which receives the highest rainfall in India is dash. The lowest temperature region in India is dash. Now, answer the following questions. Explain the process of southwest monsoon. Explain the explain the weather condition in the summer season in India. Mention the areas with low rainfall in India. Once again I ask it. Note on that. Mention the areas with low rainfall in India. Dear children, we have gone through the lesson India and its climate. You come to know that what is the difference between weather and climate, and being in India we should know that how the climate is affecting on economy, society and everything. That is why it is very, very important to know. I hope you will go through the video, and remember, I have given some questions, note down them and answer them. Sai Ram.